Nice to meet you. I'm Matteo Chambretavi. I think I'm a little bit strange because I have a master in management engineering, so it's a little bit different. Another master working in marketing, networking, and after sommelier, national tester, food association, etc. So a little bit strange. Today we present to you two projects. So the main project, Maison Bruit d'Entraux, the ethnographical museum, and Tascapin. So Tascapin is the place where we have the excellence together in one website. Where we are in Aosta Valley. I think that someone between you know, but it's the smallest region in Italy, also the highest because we have an average altitude of 2,100 meters, so it's really high. And you have to think that it's really difficult to walk for everyone because you have 20 kilometers to do and you have to wait a lot, okay, also to walk. The next slide it's a little bit crazy, but I had yesterday night, and it's on the cost. So what happened? We start with Tascapin, the project of the producer that I explain you after. And after we had the museum. The museum in 2014 cost a lot for public administration. And now in 2017 cost 66% less. But what happened with less cost? We had 700% more guests. And we open, you see public administration open only 30 days. And we open now 240 days. But why I show you this? Because to do this, we use ICH. It's only this. Now, how we use ICH? This is the museum, you see. It's a building that was constructed in the 17th century. It's around 1,000 square meters, so it's not so big. And inside, you have the Museum of Food Tradition of Aosta Valley. We had another project to make the sustainability of the museum and to transmit the ICH to our guests. The project is Tascapin. Tascapin is the old bag of the mountain people of the Aosta Valley. That is a network of producers that actually work together to sell the products in the museum and via internet. But it's not only a selling, it's a promotion and a presenting because behind the products we have a lot of intangible culture. Example, the Fontina. Maybe someone knows. The Fontina is our best preferred cheese in Italy. It's an AOP, so a protected origin products. And behind this cheese we have a lot of story, a lot of tradition, a lot of everything. You see only the picture, it's incredible. We are in the glacier coming down from the mountain by walking with a cheese on the head. Nowadays it's similar, it's not so far away. So the real question is how to transmit and work with ICH. I don't have the solution now, but we use the voice, we use the land, we use the collection, we use the architecture, the e-commerce, everything is used to transmit the ICH. So I told you, we use the voice of the producer. So this is a producer of Fontina cheese that actually is working now like his great-grandfather, also more, because we can come behind from 1,000 years old. So it's real old cheese. And we use the voice of the producer. For example, you see the presentation of one producer in the old cheese factory, the e-commerce, of course, and the visit to the producer. So it's a system. We have the base is the museum, so the cultural base. But around we have all the system with the producer, so we can transmit the ICH to from the producer. In the museum work for sure all the community. So we have, for example, you see in the center a big event that is studied to reconstruct what was in the past in our village. Our village is 570 people, so it's really small. So we have 140 people that work. It's a volunteer for the museum, for me, to transmit to the guest what we do and what we have done in the past. Also the producer work in events similar. And people, the community, not only work for events, for some folkloristic, okay? Also give to me some instruments, some pieces of the past. So for example, last week, we received an old herbs that I never know, nobody know about this herb, but I use this herb to put inside the museum, and maybe time and time next year we will improve. So the museum now, I hope it's growing. It's growing. It's a meeting point for community for sure, ICH and producer. So it's all related, and we use tasting with expert. We use the visitor in the museum with the community. We use the artisan show. For example, here we have the wood artisan that is showing how to produce, and you can buy also directly from the producer. So it's not it's an event. It's particular. The biggest challenge for sure for me is to use only one system to put together the network of the producer and what is behind, so the museum. So it's all related, but it's really difficult to put all together. And let the producer speak, let the producer transmit, and don't lose what they do. Because we are in our community that in our region is going down every day. So it's not simple to transmit and to preserve, to safeguard what is ICH. Win-win for sure, it's the producer in the museum, the tasting with the producer, and finally understand and buy the products. Because I didn't tell you before that I'm a private, so I don't have a salaries from government. All my budget is coming from ICH, actually. For the e-commerce, for the presentation, for the producer, for everything that is inside the project. So this is what I do. ICH EU. But this is, I had yesterday night, because after this day, but this is what I do, but this is the commercial view. After I do this, so I produce value in euro, but this euro I use to improve the ICH, because every day I receive pieces from the community, I receive some suggestions, I work with a lot of people, so I use the euros to improve ICH. But I use also euro to improve the terroir. Terroir is a French name, it's a French term, but behind this term you have all what is behind a land. So the tradition, the ICH, everything is behind the terroir. And in the terroir you have the producer for sure. And also this euro used to involve community, because yesterday we speak about volunteers that is not paid, for sure. So this euro that I produce is used to make the volunteer come better, to work together, to transmit to the guest what we have so particularly, because we are really little, like Tommaso yesterday in Sardinia, so really little. This is my contact, so feel free to call me. Don't call me in the night, please. And thank you. I'm really happy to be here because it's strange. Thank you.